This one's frayed, not cut. This one is also exposing wire, but again, not cut. Sorry. So that one, let's get that wire, so just need to cover that. And then this one has, sorry, a couple of exposed wires right there. And then there's a couple more right there. But again, none of these wires are cut. And then this yellow line right here actually goes over to this one. So they somehow connect. Let's see. So these are the only two main ones, and then there is this also has like, okay, it's got an exposed wire there. Okay. And I believe, oh, it's gonna be hard to see. Sorry. So that's exposed as well, but again, none of these wires are cut. So I think if I just wrap them, I think they'll be okay. And then there is this right here where it has one going into, looks like 1, 3, but this looks like a stock or factory butt connector. It's got solder in it. I don't know. This is the only thing I guess I'm wondering about, is if they had a bunch of electrical wire around it. So I don't know if that is connected incorrectly, but I don't think so. I don't see any other. It's the only thing I really see that's chewed or damaged. See anything else. These wires down here look okay. There's some exposed wire here as well. Might be kind of hard to see, so looks like this green and blue wire, and then maybe a little bit of this blue one, and a little bit of that brown one. But again, none of them are cut. So again, I think if I wrap them to make sure that they're not shorting out against each other or anything else, they should be okay. So that's what I'm going to do.